Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the syntax error and how we can handle syntax error in Python. So a syntax error in Python occurs when the code is not written correctly according to the language rule. And it's like writing a sentence with grammatical mistakes or typos in a text message. It does not make sense and the receiver cannot understand it. So for example, if you forgot a colon at the end of an if statement, Python won't know how to process it and it will result it into a syntax error. So syntax error are usually caught by the Python interpreter when the code is first read before execution. So they are not typically handled with exception handling like other runtimes error. Instead, they need to be corrected in the code. However, if we are dynamically executing code, we can catch syntax error using the try except block. So let's take a simple example. Okay, let's take a very simple example that we have a certain code. Okay, so let's say that I have this code in which I am going to put a function saying that definition hello. Okay, there is a typo, and within this, let me first remove these things. Okay, so I have a function hello. In this function I'm just gonna print hello Atul this site. Okay, now if I print hello, or if I call hello, basically you can see that we have this message hello Atul this site. Okay, now if I have to put this entire code into a particular variable and then I have to execute it. Okay, so if I put code equal to this and I'll put it into this triple quotes, and then I use this exec function, execute function basically, and then I put the code over here. Okay, and if I run it, you see nothing happens, right? So we need to understand what happened over here. If I put try over here and then if I execute this code and then with the except block, if I put syntax error as E, and then if I print saying that hey Atul, a syntax error occurred, and then I'll basically put E over here, that will help us to get the syntax error. So now if I run this, you can see over here that we are getting this message saying that hey Atul, a syntax error occurred, bracket was never closed, string line 3. So if I come, this is line 1, code is on line 1, this is line 2, this is line 3. So we have missed adding this bracket over here. That's why we are getting this error. Now if I run this, then nothing happens, right? So what is happening in this code over here? In this code, a string containing invalid Python code is defined. So a bracket is missing in the code, or you can say that there is a missing closing parenthesis. And when execute attempts to execute this code, it raises a syntax error. The except block catches this error and prints a helpful message. This way, even though the syntax error exists, the program handles it gracefully and provides the feedback for correction. So this is how basically you can handle the syntax error in Python using exception handling. Happy learning and see you in the next video.